Today, we're going to be talking about a common issue that Telegram users face. The login fails due to not getting the code. If you're struggling with this, don't worry. I've got you covered with some of the troubleshooting steps to get back on track. So let's dive into it. First off, before doing anything, let's update our Telegram. Currently I'm using the Android, so the Android users, you'll check. So we open our Google Play Store. We go search for Telegram app, and we need to update the app to the latest. There we are. It is now installed fully, and now what we're going to do, let's go and open the app. We need to open the app. So the first thing that we're going to consider is make sure that you have the right phone number format. Your number should be in an international format. I mean, you should include the country code followed by the city or carrier code. Let me show you an example of this. Like right now, we're trying to enter the country code. It depends on your location. If you're from Madagascar, if you're from the United States, if you're a Canadian, when you insert your country, it will show the code automatically. That means you don't need to again write the code after selecting the country. If you're from China, you select, and now you write the other digits, the 7 something, or like it depends on maybe your country. But most countries use 7 something. I don't know. Yeah, but whatever the case may be, as long as you need to insert properly your number so that you get the verification code. Trust me, if you put the wrong number, you will not get the verification code. You need to put the right number. Maybe if you're from Uganda, just search. Actually, you can search Uganda. Then you continue, proceed. The second bit is getting a code via a phone call. To do this, you'll need to have the two-step verification enabled. And if you don't know how to get the two-step verification, let me show you. Come to settings. So we scroll all over the settings, privacy and security. Now we turn on the two-step verification. So I have to enter the password, my password for the two-step verification. Let me just use this as an example. I'll change it. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we've got it now, which brings me to the third point, getting the code via Telegram. If you've recently used Telegram in another device, the login code may be sent via Telegram instead of SMS. So you just have to go to the other Telegram account and check your chats, and you'll see a verified Telegram profile. It is actually blue checked if you didn't know about it. Just remember that this is not a substitute of using an up-to-date phone number. Always make sure that Telegram account is connected to a number that you control. I mean a phone number that you control. In case they send a message, you receive. In case they call you, you receive. Yeah, something like that. That's what I mean by you having the connection with the number, the actual number. The fourth is a notification problem. At times, Telegram may send you a verification code, but since you don't have notifications enabled, maybe it would hinder it from getting to your phone. So we head over to settings, and we go to any phone. You can search for maybe notification. Then you follow these steps, notifications, and now we'll go to, since I'm using a different phone, the Telegram app should be enabled. This, you need to enable all notifications. For the iOS users, go to Telegram settings, notifications and sound, and make sure that the notifications are on, and also check your phone settings to ensure that the notifications are enabled. The other thing is we have to check the messaging app and the permissions. Check your messaging app, spam folder, and ensure that all the permissions for Telegram are enabled. Sometimes the code may be filtered into the spams and it's blocked by the permission settings. So we just have to make sure that we enable all these permissions. We're going to check for the permissions of Telegram to make sure that they're all enabled. We have granted access to everything. So you come to apps, you search apps in any phone. Don't worry, any phone. We're looking for Telegram. There it is. So let's hit over the permissions. Um, I've allowed the call log, camera, contacts, media, location, the phone. I've allowed. Now the microphone, I need to also allow it. I didn't allow it. So make sure that also the permissions are allowed of the app, all the permissions. Before heading to our final bit of the video, I just wanted to let you guys know that I have a bonus for you, and the bonus is you need to go to your SMS app and make sure that all those permissions are allowed. At times also the SMS, if the SMS is blocked from receiving messages, that means it's going to affect the code. You will not get the code since you don't have messaging app. You go to settings, search for apps, and now go to look for the text messaging app that you use. Make sure you've granted it access to notifications, and all permissions should be allowed. Finally, try enabling and disabling Telegram in your phone settings. This can sometimes reset the connection and allow the code to come through. I hope these troubleshooting steps have helped you resolve the Telegram login issues. If yes, make sure that you comment in the comment section to encourage others to watch this video. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to 1Bit Technologies for more tutorials and tips. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, blessings.